Hello friend, this is Kicksoft. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a pair of shoes that's in front of you. When I press the toe with my fingers, you can see it's very soft and it doesn't deform easily. Look at the side of it. The sutures are very strong. There is no groove overflow on the edge of the shoes. It looks very beautiful and it's strapable. You can see the details of the shoes are very nice. Look at the shoes logos. Here is Air Jordan and a black basketball. And here also there is a size paper. This pair of shoes has been stored for a long time, so there are some dust on it. It's not a bigger problem. The shoes you bought are brand new. The shoe boxes won't be as shabby as this. Now I will show you its details and the camera. You can see it very clearly. We are a manufacturer. We sell not only shoes, but also bags, clothes, sunglasses, and so on. If you are interested, please contact the following number or Instagram. The delivery usually 5 to 10 days by FedEx, and the USP free shipping. Okay, let's work.